Hello, welcome to this morning's tutorial. So this morning I'm going to implement the web API layer for match event type entity. So let me create a new branch. Let me call it API for match event type. So now I'm going to create a new controller in the API project. So I'll right click on controllers folder. I'm going to say add controller. I'm going to click on API. Then I'm going to select API controller empty. Then I click add. So the name I'm going to give it is match event types controller. So I click add. Now this is going to be my implementation for match event types controller. The type of namespace. Go to matches controller. Okay, let me go to build. Rebuild solution. So back to match event type controller that I've just created. So this is the API controller for managing event types like goals, CRUD, substitutions. So here we have the constructor for the controller. So that's the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching.